Hey, thanks for checking us out here at Just Us Riding. If you watched the last video, we had a Squeak and it was with me all day. It's been there ever since. I think I found out what the Squeak is, so stick around and I can show you what I found. We're on with the 24 Road Glide.
Dawn breaks, sky all bruised, wheels roll, no time to lose.
Alright y'all, so on the last video, we went for a ride. It was about a couple hundred miles in a day, really. It was a good day, got to see some things, got to see the battlefield, Civil War battlefield and stuff like that. Really good food at Doug's place. It would have been a better day, but the squeaking was driving me nuts.
I gotta find what that squeak is. It's driving me nuts. First, I thought, well, maybe it's the bells stinking. You know what I mean? But it's just sounds like when you're doing it, the bed gets the...
That gets cut out.
Driving me nuts. So I'm a hot rodder, and every time I hear squeaking, I'm thinking cam bearings, main bearings, something like that. And that's not the case. I knew this one was only doing it at a certain RPM, so I got to checking out the saddle bags, making sure they were tight because I'd had them off. I checked all kinds of stuff. Let me turn this camera around and I'll show you. So I got to checking out like exhaust, because I did put slip-on exhaust. I was checking the clamps. I couldn't find anything. Changed the little seat bracket and stuff, put the backrest on it. I was just looking everywhere. I even took the baffles out here on the exhaust, checking it. It was still there. So I know it's exhaust, but what is it? Well, I'll show you. It's about right. Right there. Yeah. Last place to look. Yeah, it's going to be my rubber exhaust mounts. How I found that out, well, let me show you how to take them off first. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take your saddlebags off and lay them on some blanket or whatever you have so they don't get scratched up. It's going to be this little rubber bushing right here, I think. Yeah, and the only reason I think it's that is because I put a little bit of a penetrating oil on them and it stopped squeaking. So I got some more. They're about 11 bucks for the set. That's an Amazon one. And yeah, we'll stick around. There's going to be a 213 millimeter nuts here. I'll get some Loctite. I do have lot washers on there and everything, but Loctite, and I already have these two loose. So anyway, that was just to speed up the video. So let me go ahead and get them off and I'll show you what we find on this one. Yeah, so right here, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna put up against the bite, but you can see where the rubber's wearing out right there. So yeah, that's not right. So I'm pretty sure that's what my mattress in Actionis was seeing. So yeah, so we'll put the other one in and go from there. So this is the old one, all wore out, ganked. here's the new one. You can see the difference in the lip. Let me see if I can put them side by side. So, yeah, you can see it. So anyway, I'm gonna take and put some soap right in here, just some car wash soap, and that way it don't when I wash the bike, it'll rinse out too, so I don't have oil on the exhaust. So, and we got the Loctite, like I said, I'm gonna put back on. Just a little dab of soap, maybe it'll help. I say little dab, that was a hell of a lot. So, let me try to put this bushing in first. And I'm gonna put this one facing down, this little tit here. I'm not sure if that's correct or not, so if y'all see it wrong, let me know. I don't know, but it makes sense for it to go there to stop it from hitting this plate as hard right here. So I'm talking about this little tab. I'm gonna make sure it's facing downward. Maybe it'll help insulate it a little bit. I don't feel that that's right, but nope, probably not. I changed my mind. I'm putting the tab facing up, and then just put this piece through. Put a little dab on the nuts here. That's what she said. And it doesn't hurt to have a flat head. Just gonna do this to start it, and then get the other one in, hopefully. Might be able to go through. There we go. Screwdriver help. And tighten them up a little bit. So that way I can put the washer, lock washer, the nut back on here. Loosen this one up. Just put the lock washer on there. Loctite's still good because it hasn't dried. So we're just gonna do that. Repeat that process on the other side. It took all of 3 or 4 minutes to do, but it aggravated the crap out of me. So anyway, if y'all got a Harley, you're hearing a squeak, check out your exhaust bushings, and it's something you can do yourself. I mean, it was literally a socket, 42mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, some Loctite, some soap, and an $11 fix. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Stick around. We'll have some more riding videos coming soon. Maria hasn't felt well in the past couple weeks, so just been staying close to the house. But anyway, thank you all again for watching. Appreciate you.
Morning brew blues, the fuel I choose, hot and black, it lights my fuse. Sip it slow, let the warmth diffuse. Morning brew blues, it's my only muse. Paper cup in a calloused hand, a bitter love I understand. Liquid sunrise keeps me sane. It's a rush, it's a chain.